Fossil fires borrow time, burning what we can't replace. The sun doesn't invoice us, it just waits. Quiet engines, cleaner math, efficiency is truth. The future hums softly and doesn't ask permission. No smoke to celebrate, no noise to prove it's strong. Progress doesn't look heroic, it just lasts longer. Welcome to the electric age, where power doesn't scream. Every mile a quieter choice, every watt a cleaner dream. Electric age, nothing left to burn. We stop stealing from tomorrow and finally learn. Grids begin to think ahead, storing daylight for the dark. Batteries remember what the sun forgot. No pipelines, no alarms, no wars to guard the flame. Energy becomes a number, not a geopolitical name. Abundance changes behavior, scarcity makes us fight. When power comes from everywhere, the future feels lighter. Welcome to the electric